Let's face it, the drain cleaning industry has experienced far too little innovation for far too long. So in the last couple years, you've probably noticed that Milwaukee Tool has been getting into the drain cleaning industry in a big way. We are cutting the cords and introducing new levels of technology. Our solutions are the most portable and versatile, allowing you the ability to service more calls with less hassle. This year, we're keeping that momentum going with not only the most portable sectional machine, but also the most powerful in its class. With more power than corded, this machine can power through heavy roots up to 150 feet out. The new M18 FUEL Sectional Machine for 5/8 and 7/8 inch cable. I know what you're thinking. Will a battery-powered sectional machine have the power to clear the toughest clogs? Will it have the runtime to get through my day? You're about to hear from some technicians that have been using this tool for a while. They'll answer those questions and more.
The power in the M18 sectional machine is phenomenal. I have not had any issues with it at all being underpowered. If anything, it actually probably has more power than the current sectional machine that I use. I ran a sewer line that was infested with roots for about 32 feet, and I had no issues whatsoever using a 2.5 inch C cutter and never lagged once. I was thoroughly impressed with it.
I have cleared large root blockages in 4 to 6 inch pipe. I've cleared corrosion stoppages in cast iron. I've also cleared grease stoppages in PVC. And so far it has outperformed my other machines when it comes to roots, for sure, because it doesn't bog down. I haven't found anything yet that it can't conquer with power. On one full charge in the 12 amp battery, we have completed 7 different stoppages.
I've been able to complete jobs at over 6 consecutive different addresses to clear multiple stoppages, running multiple vents per address. So the runtime on this M18 sectional machine has been very impressive with how it can keep up.
I did 7 jobs on one battery without charging. And these aren't quick hits. These are going on the roof, running the cable more. There's time involved in that.
With the M18 sectional machine being so much lighter than the current machine that I use, I have definitely been able to carry more. I can carry the machine over my shoulder. I can carry cables in one hand and the box of heads or tarps or whatever I need. I can definitely eliminate multiple trips. The fact that I can throw the shoulder strap on and carry that up with my hands free and carry the cables up in one of my free hands. Also, just the lightweight of the machine is, I find myself not dreading taking the machine out and climbing up onto a roof, just because it's so much easier to operate than the current model that I have.
So when I first heard about the M18 sectional, I was extremely concerned whether or not it'd have the power. So once I got my hands on it and tried it, just like every other Milwaukee tool I've ever had, it exceeded my expectations. It has more power, more capability, in a smaller, lighter weight package than I could have ever dreamed of. If you're skeptical, the only thing I can say is get one and try it, and if you don't like it, I'll still buy it back from you.